In this video I will show you how to disable this future Google Chrome updates warning. Actually, this error is stating that you need Windows 10 or later version of Windows, as Google Chrome has stopped providing updates for these older version of OS. So solution is either to upgrade OS to Windows 10 or just disable this warning. Here are the steps to disable this warning. Actually, I am showing in Windows 10, but you can use Windows 7 and steps are very similar. Go to search and type command prompt. Then select command prompt and select run as administrator. This command prompt is similar in all the version of Windows. Then just paste down this registry command in command prompt. For this, copy the command and come to command prompt and right-click your mouse. It will automatically paste in command prompt and then press enter. This command specifies a setting to suppress warnings about unsupported operating systems in Google Chrome. It sets the registry entry name as SuppressUnsupportedOSWarning with value of 1, indicating the suppression of the warning. The command is executed with the F option to force execution without user confirmation. Press enter to execute the command. You will see this success message. I will provide this command in description. After this, restart your computer and Chrome warning will no more shown. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.